Monsoon winds, seasonal winds. Monsoon. Monsoon winds are generated due to the uneven heating of land and water in the different seasons. During summers, monsoons blow from the sea to the land, and in winter, they blow from the land to the sea. Southeast Asia, East Africa, North Australia are the regions where the pronounced effect of these winds are felt. See figure 5.6. The influence of monsoon winds is seen in the summer and winter seasons in the Indian subcontinent. Due to these winds, the Indian subcontinent experiences monsoon, that is rainy, and retreating monsoon seasons apart from summer and winter. Monsoon winds are in fact sea and land breezes blowing on large scale. Most of the precipitation in the Indian subcontinent is the effect of monsoon winds. After crossing the equator, they blow from the southwest towards the Indian subcontinent during the period from June to September. They are called southwest monsoons. They are full of moisture. From September to December, because of the low pressure area developing near the equator, winds blow from the Indian subcontinent towards the equator. These are called the northeast monsoon winds. They are dry winds. Cyclones. Cyclonic conditions are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure areas. In these conditions, winds start blowing towards the low pressure area from the surrounding high pressure areas. See figure 5.7. Due to the rotation of the earth, the cyclonic winds in the northern hemisphere move in an anti-clockwise direction, whereas they move in clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. During a cyclone, the sky is cloudy. Winds blow with a very high velocity and it rains heavily. The area affected by cyclones is limited. The duration, velocities, direction, and place of origin of these winds is unpredictable. See the image of a cyclone obtained by a satellite in figure 5.8. On weather maps, the center of a cyclone is represented by the letter L. The cyclone system moves from one place to another. Cyclonic storms. Cyclones occurring in the western part of the Pacific Ocean along the coasts of Japan, China, Philippines, etc. are known as typhoons. These storms arise in the months between June and October. Due to high velocity winds and heavy rains, these prove to be destructive. The cyclones in the Caribbean Sea are known as hurricanes. These are also destructive in nature. During these storms, the minimum velocity of the wind is 60 kilometers per hour. Cyclones also originate in the temperate zone, but they are not so powerful and hence are not destructive. Anticyclones. Under specific atmospheric conditions, the air pressure in a particular region increases and the pressure in the surrounding areas remain low. In this situation, winds blow from the center towards surrounding areas in a circular manner. In the northern hemisphere, these winds blow in a clockwise direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere they blow in an anti-clockwise direction. During anticyclones, the skies are clear, winds blow with lesser velocities, and the weather is pleasant. Anticyclones generally last for a few days or a week. Such anticyclones originate in temperate zones. On weather maps, the center of an anticyclone is represented by the letter H. Anticyclones are vividly experienced in high pressure belts. Winds in these regions are always moving out, and hence the rainfall in such areas is quite low.